Alright, we got old Matt Monar over here, professionally filleting fish.
What's up?
Go, forgot to get that face shot.
What's up?
Alright, got old Hancock over here.
Yeah.
Got Gramps.
Oh, look.
Gramps, come on now.
Bubba, look at Wesley. Say,
Come
hey,
on
how
now.
you doing?
Yeah, this is a man that knows how to fillet them fish.
Fillet 'em, baby.
Fillet them, baby. 1.5 seconds.
That's the creek.
Yeah.
That's how we do it at the creek.
Creek Commanders.
Creek Commanders.
Filleting fish.
Filleting fish, baby. This is how we do it. Whoa.
Wind blows.
What we got over there?
Couple of hungry people.
Mmm.
Ain't nothing better than a bunch of good old catfish.
Boy. And then over here,
The green weenie.
we got the green weenie.
That's what made it happen, baby.
That's exactly what made it happen. Alright, tune in next week. We'll have some more.